Ever wondered how to say coffee to go in Russian? This handy adverb навынос is perfect for any takeout situation. For example, кофе на вынос, пожалуйста. Coffee to go, please. Я возьму пиццу на вынос. I'll take the pizza to go. Можно суши на вынос? Can I get sushi to go? But be careful, don't mix it up with the noun вынос, which can mean removal or take away. Here is another use case. Мы получили разрешение на вынос мебели. We got permission to take out the furniture. Pay attention that the adverb на вынос is written as one word. The noun вынос with the preposition на is always written separately. Now you are all set to order like a pro. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more language tips. Thank you.